ADVM 2 CAD CAM classes.
Okay, ADVM 2A, Introduction to CAD for Manufacturing. So your modeling part with software called Fusion. The modality's in person. There is no prerequisite for this class. And again, we have an advisory. Do not enroll in ADVM 1A concurrently. Following 2A is Introduction to CAM for Milling. Our modality is hybrid. So that means the lecture is online and you come into school for a computer lab and demonstration lab in the machine shop. The prerequisite for this course is ADVM 2A, and co-enrollment is permitted. So you can take ADVM 2A in the first 8 weeks of the term and take ADVM 2B in the second 8 weeks of the term. It's important you register for both at the beginning of the semester so that we can ensure that ADVM 2B has enough enrollment to run. Okay, enrollment advisory. Here's the suggested AM schedule. There are actually 4 sections of ADVM 2A, but the ones I have here are scheduled in the same time slots on the same days as this associated 2B class that follows in the second 8 weeks. So the morning schedule starts at 9 a.m. Suggest you take ADVM 2A 84356 CRN and then follow up with ADVM 2B CRN 84161. If you need to take the classes at night, these are the sections that are in the evening with a 5:45 start time. So you'd want to sign up for CRN 84176 and CRN 84160. If your preferred time slot is full, get on the wait list, register for another section that is open so that you can register for this 2B class. And as things shift around, there's a really good chance that you'll move off the wait list into your preferred time slot. Okay, let's take a look at some examples of work done in ADVM 2A. So what you see in these pictures are three-dimensional models of components for a design, and they were modeled in Fusion, in which you'll learn how to do in ADVM 2A. When we move into ADVM 2B, you're learning how to apply a computer-aided manufacturing toolpath to that model. And then that toolpath is the blue lines and yellow lines and green lines. They mean different things. And it represents the center line of a rotating cutter. See the gold-shaped cylinder in the lower right-hand corner? That is a simulation of the cutter, and the blue line is the center of it, removing material. You then take that information and compile it in what's called a post processor, and that is output to actually set up and run on a milling machine.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media